Hello.
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 Yeah, who's this?
Rajendra, RS Balla. I got a call
Yeah,
from
hi.
you. Yeah.
Correct. Yeah, I saw your contact number on your website.
Yeah.
I just wanted to have a chat with you for my mouth ulcers. I have like a very frequent mouth ulcers.
What is your age?
28,
Height?
5'5".
5'5".
Yeah, 5 feet 5 inches.
Sorry, 5 feet 5 inches, huh?
Yes.
Okay, and your weight?
Weight is 60,
Okay, how much water do you drink per day? Water, milk, and tea?
including everything. Yeah.
No, you tell me separately.
Okay. Water, I think maybe around 3 liters a day.
3 to 4 liters.
3 liters, yeah, 3 to 4 maybe. Not 3 to 4 maybe, but yeah, not sure exactly, but around 3 liters.
And do you drink tea also?
Sometimes, like once in a while, one cup.
Not daily.
Not daily, yeah.
And milk?
Milk, yeah, milk, 1 glass of milk.
Every day.
Yeah, almost every day.
And what is your activity level?
Not much. I have a desk job, so basically not really active.
You're drinking too much of fluid.
Is it?
Yeah. And do you drink water with meals?
Sorry, water with?
Meals.
I didn't get it. What with?
Do you drink water during while you are taking meals? When you are taking food, do
No,
you
no,
drink
no,
water?
no, no, no. No. I drink like after half an hour type.
That could be another reason. Drink 1 glass
Okay.
of water with every meal
With as in while eating or?
while eating.
Okay. 1 glass
And
of milk.
for the next 3 days, don't drink any fluid except water with the meals. 3 meals and 3 times take water.
Okay,
And
got it.
once every month you do this particular thing, and maybe once in 15 days, every 15 days drink only 3 glasses of water for continuously 2 days or 3 days, and that water should be with the meals only.
Okay.
That will resolve your mouth ulcers permanently. But usually
Yeah,
when you are
because
having mouth ulcers, you have indigestion, other issues also. Lot of other issues could be there.
could be,
Itching,
yeah.
itching, anything relating to the quality of the skin or hair fall or dandruff.
I have dandruff sometimes.
See, dandruff is also caused because of poor blood supply. That's one. Second, do you use any oil in your hair?
Uh, Oil not regularly,
Hmm.
but sometimes I apply it in the night.
And wash off in the morning.
Correct, yes.
And you
Shampoo.
usually wash your hair with shampoos
It's not
or
same,
soap.
like I change the shampoo, it's not constant.
No, but you do it with shampoos only. Every shampoo has got
Shampoo.
some kind of hair conditioner also.
No, I don't use hair conditioner, I only use shampoo.
But every shampoo, like when you're taking a common purpose shampoo, they already have conditioner in them.
Yeah, I don't think the shampoo that I'm using has conditioner in it. It's only pure shampoo.
See, that usually does not happen, but you can check it again. And
Okay.
otherwise, also the shampoo pH level also matters a lot. Shampoos are somewhere around 4 to 6 pH level. This
Okay, so
is
you think I
also,
shouldn't use shampoo, yeah?
you should use only soap.
Okay, only soap.
And if you want to get rid of the dandruff within 4 to 5 days, I can tell you that schedule also. That will get rid of your dandruff permanently for life.
Yeah, dandruff is not like really big issue, but this mouth ulcer is like pressing issue. I get like very frequently, and
I
I'm
can
getting these.
understand. I can understand that is not a pressing issue because it's not something which causes immediate discomfort.
Correct, exactly.
So I've told you already about this. I'll send you another message also, which will have the guidelines also, like when to drink, how much water and all that. But normally, If you don't want to follow any particular system, then every 15 days, for 3 days, you should be drinking water only with the meals and no other
Okay.
fluids. That will basically what happens is the problems happen when you follow the same routine for years. It does not happen because you do something wrong for 1 or 2 days. The body has got enough of mechanism to take care of any deviations. So if you follow this simple principle, whenever you feel like there is a possibility of mouth ulcer, you can stop drinking water completely also for 12 hours, or you generally follow this thumb rule that every 15 days, you for 3 days you are only drinking water with the meals and nothing else. So total will be about 500 to 750 ml only.
Got it. Okay.
And second is avoid milk in case you can, because milk is not something which is healthy. So in case you drink it for the purpose of health, then don't drink it.
Yeah, yeah. I only drink for the health purpose.
If you don't have any particular taste, then give it up.
Okay, okay. I just drink it for the like calcium requirement because I'm vegetarian.
No need of calcium in the body. There is absolutely no need for calcium. Whatever you get from the food, in whatever form, whether you take it less or more, the problem with the bones is when you take too much of calcium. 90% of the problems on this earth, problems of bones on this earth is due to excess calcium consumption these days. There's a
Okay,
hype.
okay.
There is a hype of everything. There's a hype for drinking too much of water, so you drink too much of water and you get into trouble. There's a hype about calcium that this helps in strengthening your bones, and you lose your bones by taking too much of calcium. If you have seen like original whitewash is done with the help of tuna lime
Correct.
kind of powder,
Correct. Yes.
and when you put it in the water, it boils. After
Correct.
it is allowed to boil, it leaves some kind of residual, which is kind of a mud.
Correct.
That the same thing happens in the body also. When you take calcium, it is picked up by the bones, and after using in the bones, like after every 2 3 years, the whitewash comes off. There's a papdi kind of thing, and it starts cracking and it starts coming off, and that is because of heat and dust, heat and moisture, and the heat and
Hmm.
moisture is there in the body also, around the bones also. So the calcium which is absorbed by the bones has to be excreted efficiently from time to time. So every time you urinate, some amount of calcium thing is removed. So if that is not removed efficiently, or because of your excess calcium consumption, it starts building up a white layer over the bones, and bones stop absorbing any calcium which you take by food.
Okay.
So there is a
Understood.
kind of minimal amount of calcium requirement in the body. I am 58 and I had severe osteoporosis 20 years back, and as a child I used to take a lot of calcium tablets because at that time it like everywhere you read that calcium is good for the bones and all that stuff. So as a kid,
Hmm.
we used to get free of cost these tablets, and I used to consume all of them thinking that it's helping my bones. And at the age of 35, 40, I had
Okay.
severe osteoporosis. And then I gave up
Okay. Okay.
calcium in every form, and my bones are now better than what it used to be. Or I can simply say 80% of the boys at the age of 20 will not have as good bones as I have today at the age of 58. I don't brush my teeth, and my teeth are better than 90% of the population at the age of 58. Not even a single problem is there. Not gum related, not teeth related. I've given up brushing and using toothpaste for last 20 years.
Okay, what do you use then?
Pardon?
What do you use then?
Nothing. You don't need to do anything. If at all you feel like there's a plaque kind of forming on your in your teeth and all that, what you do is that take a baby brush, softest baby brush, and thus with the help of this baby brush, just floss it for 10 to 15 seconds. Once in a day in the morning, first thing in the morning. After you have done that gargling with the plain water, any excess see whatever toothpaste you have on the earth, everything, every toothpaste has got some kind of what you call that, abrasive, and the purpose of abrasive is to make it white. When you rub it with the abrasive, your tooth enamel will be lost. Once your tooth enamel is lost, your dentals are gone. And dentals are always yellow in color. If you want white tooth, then that means you must lose your dentals at the age of 40, 45.
Makes sense. Yeah. I think-
Hello?
Yeah. I think that makes sense.
So your voice is low. I think you're using some distances, some hands free or something.
Yeah, I'm using Bluetooth headphones.
So I'll do one thing. I'll send you WhatsApp message. You just go through that and follow that. Maybe you can follow for long term also, or if you want, you can follow it for short term also.
Yeah, I'm getting ulcers like since the age of 10 or something.
Not audible. Not audible.
Just a second, let me.
Yeah, can you hear me better now?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was saying I'm getting these ulcers since the age of 10 or something. I tried everything, but nothing is helping. Like,
Nothing on this earth will help you except what I'm telling you.
yeah,
You go to
yeah,
any
that'll be
doctor. You
like
go to the topmost doctors in the world, and
correct.
you will ultimately, maybe if you are unlucky, you might have mouth cancer also in due course of time. And there is no cure for that except what I'm telling you.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I could have also sent you some medicine and charge you 5,000 rupees.
Yeah. No, that's really helpful of you. Really nice of you. Can you send me those on WhatsApp so that I can go through?
I'll send you.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thanks a
Send you.
lot.
Hello.